Today we're timing the full moon of May the 1st and the 2nd, 2026. And how that is seen is if I draw a horizon line like this and I put us on the horizon and we're observing the sky around us, then when the sun sets in the west, which will be in Taurus, the sun is in Taurus now in May, then the moon will rise in the east, moon being in Scorpio. And that's going to happen you're going to see that already at sunset. As the sun sets, the moon rises, and that's the full moon. So when we are looking at it in the day, and we are standing on the horizon with our little hat, and we know that it is May, and May it is in Taurus, the sun, directly above us, the sun. That means that during the day, the moon is directly opposite the sun, like it is here. Sun, moon, opposite. So you're not going to see the moon in Scorpio until the moon starts to rise and the sun starts to set, which you'll get this. So what that times is so here we have focus on relationships. That's the main thing, relationships. But the moon is apogee, which means the furthest distance from the earth, which means there's distance in these relationships. Also, anything is false. Material things, they are false or not true. Material things are faulty. News is false. Faulty, false. There's just things that are not true. So something's broken perhaps. So that is focus on relationships. Also arrange property or site or premises. And when you look at the timing for these dates, the May the 1st and the 2nd, May 1 to 2, things are false. So it's the outcome to February the 2nd, 2026. Look to what was your agreement then? There's an outcome, but with a flaw. May the 1st and the 2nd is also movement from April the 18th. Look to your diary. What were you doing April the 18th? Which leads to May the 2nd, but there's a bit of a flaw, and the outcome will only happen in May the 16th. So that's your outcome from the April the 18th. There's a faulty step May the 2nd, and the outcome's May 16th. And May 1 and 2 is also the opposite, the inverse to November the 5th, 2025. So look to your diary. You want to know more? Visit www.dinastro.com. See you then.